Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kelvin here. If you are using Moomoo SG to buy your stocks, chances are your money is just sitting there doing nothing while waiting for you to buy the dip. Meanwhile, inflation be like nom nom nom, eat up your money. So here's a better solution. Rather than letting the money sit around doing nothing like a lazy bum bum, you can put the money into Moomoo Cash Plus and earn some interest. The last I checked is almost 2% 7-day annualized yield. And that means with just $300, you can potentially earn one plate of chai fan already. And the best part is totally free to use. So in this video, I will share everything you need to know about Moomoo Cash Plus. What is it? How does it work? And I will also give you a step-by-step guide on how to use it. But before I start, I would greatly appreciate it if you can help to tap the like button and subscribe if you haven't done so. In return, I will show you a cute cow. Also, just a quick disclaimer, this video is done in collaboration with Moomoo SG. But all the things that I mentioned in this video are my own honest opinion, yeah? With that being said, let's start right now. Okay, here's a quick intro to Moomoo Cash Plus. Moomoo has something called Money Plus, where you get to invest in different kind of funds like equity funds, bond funds, balance funds, and so on. And one of these funds is called Cash Management Funds, which Moomoo calls Cash Plus. Basically, these funds invest in safer securities like government bonds and fixed deposits. Currently, in Cash Plus, you will see two funds, the Fullerton Cash Fund, which is in SGD, and the CSOP USD Money Market Fund, which is in USD. Okay, let's go through both funds, starting with the Fullerton Cash Fund. This fund currently gives a 2% 7-day annualized yield, which is basically higher than most Singapore bank interest already. There are two main objectives of this fund. And no, it's not to hoard big. Instead, it's to provide investors with liquidity and a return that's similar to Singapore Bank's savings deposit rate. Or in other words, this fund invests in safer securities that don't go up and down too much, so that when investors sell, they are less likely to end up buying high and selling low. At the same time, this fund aims to give a return that's as good as a bank's interest rate. To achieve this fund invests in SGD deposits with financial institutions. The deposits can be of different maturities, up to 366 days, basically 1 year plus 1 day. Or if they want to, they can also put 10% of the portfolio into deposits with maturity up to 732 days, basically 2 years plus 2 days. The top 5 counterparties are all institutions not from Singapore. Then you'll be like, huh, not from Singapore? Later they close shop like what those crypto companies did, then how? Okay, you don't have to worry too much because there's criteria for choosing the companies. All of them need to have either good credit ratings by agencies like Fitch, Moody, and Standard & Poor's, or have been approved by the CPF investment scheme to accept fixed deposits. So in short, the counterparties are quite safe, yeah? As for the holdings, 81% are in deposits that mature within 1 month, 8% matures within 2 months, 8.3% matures in 3 months, and the rest are held in cash and cash equivalents. So as you can see, the holdings are all very short term. If you look at the past performance, over the past 3 years, the yield can be as high as 2% or as low as 0.1%. But recently, the yield has gone back up to 2%, so that's nice. Then, if you check the historical pricing of this fund, since inception till now, it has only been going up, even when the market was crashing left and right in 2020 and 2022, because stonks. In fact, the max drawdown for the past 5 years was just 0.009%, which is impressive. Finally, this fund has an expense ratio of 0.15%, which is considered quite cheap. Moving on, the second fund is the CSOP USD Money Market Fund, which is currently giving around 2% 7-day annualized yield. Similarly, the goal of this fund is to provide liquidity and give a return that's comparable to USD deposit rates. To do this, they will be investing in government and corporate bonds, commercial bills, and deposits with eligible financial institutions. If needed, the fund manager can invest up to 10% of the holdings in derivatives for hedging purposes. you can see that they invest in short-term deposits that mature at different dates. As for past performance, there's not much past data yet because this fund was just launched in July. But so far, the historical NAV has been going up. Same for the yield. Now, even though there's not much historical data on this, if we check the similar funds offered by this fund manager, like the CSOP Hong Kong Dollar Money Market ETF, it has been doing quite well. Same for the CSOP RMB Money Market ETF, though in the short term, you might see some tiny fluctuations here and there. So I would expect the same kind of performance as the USD fund. Finally, this fund has some fees that you will need to take note of. But all of these fees will be handled automatically on Moomoo's side. So that was the two funds. Other than fund level fees, Moomoo SG doesn't charge anything for buying and selling these funds. So that's nice. Almost guaranteed interest, no transaction fees. Sounds good leh. So I should invest all my money into Cash Plus while waiting to buy the stock? Yes, but there's a tiny catch, and that is the subscription and redemption are not instant. So you can't withdraw your money and immediately go buy a stock. For the fund with HGD currency, Fullerton Cash Fund, subscriptions will take up to 1 trading day and redemptions will take up to 2 trading days to complete. As for the CSOP USD Money Market Fund, subscription takes up to 1 trading day and redemptions will complete on the same day. So if you are planning to use the money to invest, just make sure to factor in a bit of time for the money to come back, yeah? Okay, here's a super quick tutorial on how to use Moomoo Cash Plus. In the app, go to Trade, Money Plus, then tap on Cash Plus. Choose the fund that you want to invest in. For example, I'll go for Fullerton Cash Fund. Tap Learn More, then tap Subscribe. If it's your first time doing this, you will need to complete the Customer Knowledge Assessment as required by MAS. So just do that. Once you are done, you'll be able to subscribe to the fund. As for the amount, you can invest from even as low as 1 cent. But right now, they have a promotion where if you invest a minimum of 100 HGD for 30 days, you will get a $2 cash coupon every day for that 30 days. This promotion is valid for new Moomoo SG Universal Account holders, yeah? Terms and conditions apply. Once you complete this, after 30 days, you will earn a total of $60 cash coupon with as low as 100 HGD. And you get to earn some additional interest on the funds. And I call that a win. Take note that this promotion only lasts till 1st September. So that's how to subscribe to a fund. Finally, if you want to redeem, just go to Trade, look for your fund, tap Redeem, and you are done. So simple. Anyway, that was a quick intro of Moomoo Cash Plus. Hopefully, you find it useful. If you have not signed up yet, you can sign up with my link down below, deposit $2,700 and receive up to 1 free Amazon stock and $40 cash coupon when signing up. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.